In this video, I'm going to teach you how to compare documents in Bluebeam Revu. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into bluebeam.com, which is their site. Now you need to get access by clicking on this Get Started, or you can also try it free for 14 days by clicking on this particular button. Now you can also buy this particular software by clicking onto this Buy Now once you're determined to use it directly. Once you have access, proceed to click on this login option that will appear. Now I've already downloaded Bluebeam Revu, and here's what it looks like. So I have in here two open files. So from there, we just need to open the compare tools. Navigate right here to the document tab, and from in there, you can see all of this. So for this, you just need to actually select the document menu and select compare documents option. It should be available right here into this part, which is this. Now this should be able to open window. We have in here the document A, we have the document B, and you can also browse for other file that you want to compare. So I have in here these two since these two are the ones that are open right now, but you can also choose to actually compare two files that are not open. Just right here the application in the active folder and the new file copy suffix. So make sure that the page counts match. So click on browse right here. Add the file that you want and click on OK. And after that, make sure that you can actually head over and then compare them, and it should be able to yield right here a result for these two documents that we have compared used to. You also need to make sure to select all pages, and for the line documents, use auto align if it's actually impossible right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.